Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear students, today we are doing exercise of rhyming words on page number 27. Say names of the given objects and match the rhyming objects. First one is car. Car is match with jar. Second one is log. Log with match with dog. Third one is sun. Sun is match with bun. Fourth one is tin. Tin is match with pin. Last one is cat. Cat is matched with bat. Say the names of objects and encircle the rhyming names in each rows. Hook, book. Rug, mug. May, hay. So students, पेज नंबर 27 की एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होती है। अब हम मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।